the founder of smartpinaymoms.com. I was blessed to be part of Coach Cynthia's masterclass for stock investing for beginners. And ang masasabi ko lang sa kanyang masterclass ay napaka-helpful niya, napaka-informative. Though it's just for beginners, pero yung knowledge na matututunan mo doon, enough for you to and for us to have confidence sa stock investing. Kasi noon ko pa dream talaga na mag-invest sa stock. Kaya lang, I was afraid because of the rumors that I heard na ang stock investing daw ay parang gamble na pwede kang malugi o kung minsan naman pwede kang manalo o mag-gain. Ang sabi ko, paano kung yung pera ko na gusto kong palaguin ay malugi lang? So, di sayang naman. But this masterclass that Ma'am Cynthia is offering, napaka-laking tulong niya para yung fears na yon ay mawala. O kung di man totally mawala, mabawasan. Kasi tinuturo niya doon kailan bibili, yan, kung saan o kaninong company, gano'n. And ang maganda pa niyan sa masterclass ni Ma'am Cynthia, hindi lang niya nilimit yung tinuturo niya sa sarili niyang knowledge. She invites some experts and they also share their expertise and knowledge about stock investing. Kaya maraming iba't ibang tips ang natututunan. Yan. Tapos as a mentor and as a coach, napakahusay ni Ma'am Cynthia kasi hinihimay-himay talaga niya yung mga tinuturo niya. Tapos meron siyang napaka-organized niyang tao. Yung personality niya pwedeng tularan para maging successful din sa ating mga online business na pinuputap, lalo yung time management niya. At as an individual, she is so good talaga. Napaka-approachable. Yung iba pang mga nag-dream na maging entrepreneur ay matulungan mo din like me. Thank you so much.
Hi, thank you for coming and thank you for watching this video. My name is Violeta M. De Palog. Isa lamang po akong ordinaryong teacher at OFW at isa ring online coach. Sabi ni Jim Rohn sa kanyang libro, if you want to be successful, you have to make yourself attractive to success. And so yun po ang ginawa ko. I want to make myself attractive to success by reading books, by reaching out to people. And I'm very, very lucky enough to reach out to Miss Cynthia Fuller. Natagpuan ko siya sa kanyang website. And I'm so happy na she is also an enthusiast, very passionate sa kanyang stock market investing. Hanggang nag-umpisa akong magbasa ng blogs niya, ng books niya, and then I bought her book and I also enrolled sa kanyang stock market masterclass. And hindi po ako nagsisisi sa pag-enroll sa kanya. Kasi kahit na matagal na akong nag-i-invest sa stock market, marami pa akong natutunan sa kanyang stock market masterclass. Lalong-lalo na yung technical analysis, lalong-lalo na din yung right mindset. Ano yung mga dapat mong gawin to prepare yourself to invest in the Philippine stock market. Meron din siyang fundamental analysis kung saan pag-aaralan kung kailan ka bibili ng stocks, ano ang gagawin mo sa stocks. Doon naman sa kanyang technical analysis, ituturo sa iyo kung ano yung mga dapat mong tignan sa pagbasa ng iyong chart. So, those are the things na natutunan ko sa stock market masterclass ni Miss Cynthia Fuller. And I am very, very happy dahil kahit na nagbayad ako ng amount para sa kanyang masterclass, I am very, very sure that yung payment ko dito sa course na ito ay babalik sa akin many, many times when I apply those things na pinag-aralan ko sa aking stock market investment. I'm so happy that I'm making myself attractive to success. And what I'm going to share with you at this moment is, if you also want to be attractive to success, if you want to be successful, you also need to make yourself attractive to it. Sana sabay-sabay tayo, ikaw at ako, ay magiging maganda sa mata ni success. Para si success ay darating sa ating buhay by investing first in ourselves. Kasi syempre, pag mag-umpisa kang mag-invest, if you know what to do directly, hindi ka na paligoy-ligoy pa, hindi ka na magda-down sa mga mistakes na gagawin mo katulad ko when I started in 2013. Dire-diretso yung success. When you invest and you know what to do, syempre, you expect for a good result. But if you invest and you don't know what to do, what do you expect? Syempre, you will also expect for the failure. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you and I will be more attractive to success.
As they said, technology levels the playing field in providing access to our stock market. So hindi na lang siya for the old rich, for the millionaires, and those who have a lot of money and access to brokers. Now we have online. We can do it online. Even simple people like call center employees, middle class, students can open an account for as low as 5,000 pesos. What we need right now, aside from technology, is information. So we have to grab this opportunity to learn as much as we can. So having online classes like the one being offered by Cynthia Fuller, this stock market masterclass, is really a great help. We just need to know the fundamentals, the in and outs, the stocks that we need to buy, the stocks that we need to sell, when to sell, and those other simple things will really help us earn income, not just for right now, but also for our future retirement. As a mom, I feel it's important that we save for the future, not for only of our kids, but also for ourselves, so that we don't have to be reliant on our kids anymore when we grow up. And that's one of the reasons why I enrolled in this stock market masterclass. It's very detailed, no jargons, and it's explained in layman terms. We just need to go out there and find this information, find a person that can teach us the ropes of stock market.
Mag-comment ka ng learn more para malaman ko na natapos mo itong video na ito at para na din personally may bigay ko sa iyo yung link ng free ebook and free webinar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito sa aking channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang maging updated sa mga bagong videos ko. My mission is The FullerMind's mission is to give inspiration and motivation to every Filipino to achieve one's financial goal through stock investing using the Fuller method's simplest and most practical approach. Don't forget, learning is a continuous process, but learning without implementing or applying is like holding grains of sand because it will just slip away from your hands. Muli, salamat. My name is Cynthia Fuller, and I'll see you in my next video.